We have Put from Thailand and Champi number 9.
Okay, lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Put out in front, going onto the main straight. Champi trying to anticipate his entry. Big entry from Put, keeps it together. Champi almost gets caught against the wall, but chases Put down. Nice shadowing there. Almost overtaking Put though. Getting back to the right position into this last transition. Let's see what he does. Big angle from both these guys, but they stay in it. And look at that. Champi gains that 1 inch more proximity across the line.
Let's see the second round. Your score is both 5-5, equal. Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, even score, so it's anyone's game right now. Both of these guys need to do the best that they can in their respective positions. Big angle, really close to each other. Both of them get through clip 1 perfectly into clip number 2. Look at these guys putting on a show for you guys right here. Let's see into number 3. Amazing transition, door to door. Let's go to number 4. Both of them get inside into the last transition. Let's see what they can do here. Big angle, little bit of correction. Across the line. Amazing run from both of these guys.
Oh, it's one more time.
There you go, one more time. I don't think anyone's unhappy about that. We all want to see them go again.
Okay, lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Here's a one more. Oh!
Restart. Restart.
A bit of a jump start from
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, looks like it's going to be a clean start. Alright, clean start, and they're already door to door. Look at this. Into the first clipping zone. Both of them get through it. A little bit of correction there, but nice transition to clipping zone number 3. Oh, door to door. Rubbing fire onto the door. Into number 3. Let's see what he does. Riding the wall. Amazing job out in front. But look at this. Champi in the chase position. Keeping it together. Amazing driving. Super precise. What the heck is happening? Amazing driving from both of these guys.
Point time advantage to Chaser. Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, Champi out in front. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what these guys can do. This is the one more time battle. Out in front, almost door to door, into the clipping zone number 1, into clipping zone number 2, almost door to door again. Nice snappy transition from both of these guys. Look at these guys, they look like twins right now, going to number 3. Nice proximity, nice line. Sacrificing what they need to get onto the door. Nice transition over here into the last clipping zone, over the line. Super nicely clean. What in the world? Let's go.
It's a second time. One more time.
Alright, these guys are making the judges' jobs extremely hard. They cannot decide. We're going into another one more time. That's how close these guys' skill levels are. And this is just amazing right now. So just to inform everyone here, especially the drivers battling right now, this is the second one more time. So the judges made a disclaimer. This is the second one more time. Every little mistake you make will be counted. You will be penalized more strictly on this one more time battle because you've already had 2 one more times. So the second one more time already. So be very careful. Put down your best runs because this is it, or this might be it.
Okay, Drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Out in front, Champy in the rear. Let's see what they do here. Already trying to get door to door. A little bit of contact there. Into the entry once again. Both guys surviving. Almost door to door. Snappy transition. Look at that. Jumping into Champy. Into Put's door. Let's see in the third outer zone. That was really close. I thought they were going to crash there, but here we go. Fourth outer zone. Last transition. Let's go. Super snappy transitions up and front from Put. But look at that. Champy sticks with him.
Let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, it's like I'm having deja vu, both of them even score. Let's see again, Champy out in the front. What will Put do? Big entry from both of these guys. Look at that, both of them surviving clip number 2, and then going through it into clip number 3. Smooth transition into number 3, linking it up into number 4, both of them in the zone. Let's see this crazy transition over here. Just about, but there's a bit of a correction from Put in the rear. I think I'll check the replay because we're not sure what exactly happened there, but we're going to make sure to nitpick and see what exactly transpired so we can make a clear and informed decision. Here we are watching the replay on our LED screen. There you go. There's the view from one of our replay cameras. Making it a lot clearer for our judges. So nice through 1. Little late on number 2. Exits really close. Good transition number 3. Both of them fill up number 4.
May sakit ka daw.
Here we go, judges deciphering, nitpicking every part of the run right now. This is the second one more time of both these drivers.
Okay, next, Lux versus Lawrence.
Once again, and here we go, Lawrence, one of our local RC drifters.
Okay, drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Lux off the line through the chicane onto the main straight. Lawrence still there. Let's see this initiation. Big angle once again. Look at this, Lawrence almost tired to tire with Lux and diving in once again in clipping zone number 2, not giving him any room to escape. Transition to number 3. Lawrence taking a good line so far into number 4, really shadowing Lux. There we go, both doing a snappy big angle transition into the last corner. Nice job from both of these guys. One of the cleanest, most aggressive runs we've seen so far.
Six-4, advantage to Lux. Because the chaser, a little bit touchy. Let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's see. Lawrence, we know he's able to do great things. Let's see his entry into the first corner. Let's see this. Big angle once again. Almost taps the wall. Makes it through. But you see Lux just chasing him down, just waiting for his opportunity to attack Lawrence out in front. Nice transition for both guys. Keeping it clean. But Lux, oh, Lawrence with a wall tap. Throws him offline. Lux taking advantage of that error from Lawrence, diving in across the finish line. Let's see what the judges have to say about that run. Great effort for both guys though.
Winner, Lux.
Here we go, unfolds.
Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, out of the chicane cautiously there, onto the main straight. Nid, lock on, waiting for the transition. A big initiation from James, transitioning to clip number 2. Almost riding the wall, nice line from James. Nid taking the inner line, nice transition over there from Nid. Into clip number 4, sticking to the door but gets left behind on the position there into number 5. James does a good job. Nick tries to gain that proximity. Let's see if James can bring the guns out for this run again. There we go. The guns are coming out. Halfway there. Judges is deliberating the first run. A great showing from both of these drivers though.
5.75 advantage to James.
There you go.
Let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
James with advantage. How will he respond in the chase position, giving it the room to maneuver? Will James take the same move? No, he doesn't. He dives in. But Nick smashes against the wall, which leads him into the front of James's car. Snappy transition from both these guys. There you go. James is finishing up the run. Trying to door Nick all the way through the finish line. And there you go. One love tap to make sure.
Winner, James.
Let's go, James, with the guns out.
Okay, Lux is always the leader.
All right, there we go. We have Lux, our number 1 qualifier in the lead position right now in that white car, and Putt chasing him down.
Okay, drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
There you go, Lux out the gate. Both these guys coming from Thailand. Ooh, Putt taking that inside line, but look at this Lux, big entry into clip 1, fills it up completely into number 2. Putt trying to gain that proximity, but look at this Lux, puts the accelerator down and creates that gap. Nice snappy transition, number 3. But look at this Putt, gaining that proximity, not giving up, trying to get that advantage for the judges. And there you go on the inside line, middle tap, but both of them making it across the finish line. Both these guys from Thailand, putting on a show for you guys here today. We're going to switch them around. Putt will be in the lead position. Lux, our number 1 qualifier, will be in the chase position.
6-4 in favor of Lux.
There we go. Lux's gangster entry into clip number 1, probably gave him that score right there.
Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There goes Putt off the line. Blazing good chicane, trying to clean that gap from Lux. Oh, big entry from Putt makes it work. Lux needs to make adjustments into clipping zone number 2. Lux is not losing any ground though. Transition nice and clean and snappy. Lux in a better position than Putt before. There we go, last transition into number 5. Let's see what Lux does here. Will he get on the door? Just about gets on the door.
Winner, Lux.
There you go, number 1 qualifier moving on.